In this video, I'm going to do chapter 2 quadratics, completing the square. Complete the square for this expression. X squared plus 4x. So x plus half of x is 2, and square it. If you expand this bracket, x plus 2 times x plus 2. You expand this bracket, x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. X squared 4x plus 4. If you expand x plus 2 whole thing squared, if you expand, it's equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. In this question, I want x squared plus 4x. So I want this part only. So I am going to take away minus 4. That means 2 squared. I'm going to take away. So this is the answer. Next one, x squared minus 6x. So x minus half of x, which is 3, and square it. If you expand this bracket, x minus 3 times x minus 3, so x squared minus 6x plus 9. I want this part only, so I'm going to take away. So x minus 3, whole thing squared. I'm going to take away 9. I don't want this part, so I'm going to take away the 9. This is the answer. Next one, 2x squared plus 16x. Before I'm going to do the completing square, I'm going to take 2 out of the bracket. So x squared plus 8x. Because I want to keep x squared, coefficient of x squared 1. So 2. Then I'm going to do the completing square. So x minus, so plus half of x is 8, then squared, then take away 8 squared, which is 64. Now expand, multiply this 2, so 2 times x plus 8 squared minus 2 times 64, which is 128. Next one, 8x minus 2x squared. So I want to keep x squared positive and keep coefficient of x squared is 1. So I'm going to rewrite minus 2x squared plus 8x. Then I'm going to take away, factorize negative 2 out of the bracket. So negative 2 times x squared, negative 2x squared, minus negative 2 times negative 4x positive 8x. Now I do this completing square. So x, half of x is 2, square it, take away 2 square is 4. Now multiply negative 2, so negative 2 times x minus 2 square, negative times negative positive 8. So this is the answer. Now pause this video, try it yourself and test your understanding. X minus half of x, which is 3 over 2 squared, take away 3 over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4. Next one, 2x squared minus 5x. So before I do the completing square, I'm going to factorize, divide by 2. So take 2 out of the bracket. So x squared minus 5 over 2x. Now I'm going to do the completing square. So 2 out of the bracket, then x minus half of x, which is 5 over 4. Then square it. Then take away 5 over 4 squared, which is 25 over 16. Then put the bracket. Now expand, multiply by 2. So 2 times x minus 5 over 4 square minus 25 over 8. Next one, x squared minus 14x. So x minus half of x is 7 squared. Then take away 7 squared, which is 49. Complete the square for this expression in the form of p bracket x plus q squared plus r. So first step, I'm going to do x plus half of x is 3 and square it. Then take away 3 squared, which is 9. Then take away 10. Now I'm going to simplify. X plus 3 squared minus 19. Next one, x squared minus 5x plus 9. So x minus half of x, which is 5 over 2 squared. Then take away 5 over 2 squared, which is 25 over 4 plus 9. Now you can simplify this one. X minus 5 over 2 squared minus 25 divided by 4, which is 6 and a quarter plus 9. You can use the calculator. So x minus 5 over 2 squared. 9 take away 6, 3. Then 3 take away quarter. Then 2 and a 3 quarter. So here p equals 1. Here's 1. So p equals 1. Q equals minus 5 over 2. R equals 2 and a 3 quarter. Next one, 5x squared minus 15x plus 3. Before I do the completing square, I'm going to factorize these two terms. So I'm going to take 5 out of the bracket. So 5 times x squared, 5x squared. So minus 5 times 3x, 15x. Then plus 3. I'm going to factorize these two terms only, first two terms only. Now 5 bracket, do the completing square. So x minus half of x part, which is 3 over 2 squared and take away 3 over 2 squared. So 9 over 4, the bracket, then plus 3. Now multiply by 5, 5 times x minus 3 over 2 squared minus 5 times 9, 40, 5 over 4 plus 3. So 5 x minus 3 over 2 squared minus, this is 45 over, 45 over 4, which is 11 and a quarter. So negative 11 and a quarter, take away plus 3, so 11 and a quarter plus 3, so which is 5 x minus 3 over 2 squared minus 7 and a 3 quarter. 11 take away 3, 8, and take away quarter, which is 3 quarter. Next one, 10 minus 16x minus 4x squared. Before I do the completing squared, I'm going to rewrite minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 10. Then I'm going to keep 1x squared. So I'm going to take 4 out of the bracket, negative 4 out of the bracket. So I'm going to factorize the first two terms. So negative 4 times x squared, negative 4x squared plus negative 4 times 4x, negative 16x, and plus 10. Now do the completing square. X plus half of x, which is 2 squared. Then take away 2 squared, which is 4. And plus 10. So multiply negative 4 times x plus 2 squared. Negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16 plus 10, negative 4 x plus 2 squared plus 26. Now pause this video, try it yourself and test your understanding. X squared plus 8x plus 1. So do the completing square. X plus half of x term, which is 4, square it, and take away 4 squared, which is 16 plus 1. So x plus 4 squared minus 15. X squared minus x minus 4. So x minus half of x, which is half, square it, and take away half square, which is 1 over 4 minus 4. So simplify this one. So x minus half, square it. Then simplify this one. Negative 4 and a quarter. So here P is 1, Q is negative half, R is negative 4 and a quarter. So next one, 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. So before I do, I'm going to factorize first two terms. So 2 out of the bracket. So x squared plus 4, 4x plus 1. So now do the completing square. X plus half of x2 squared, and take away 2 squared, which is 4 plus 1. So multiply by 2, 2 times x plus 2 squared minus 8, 2 times 4, 8 plus 1. So 2 bracket x plus 2 squared minus 7. So here p equals 2, q equals 2, r equals negative 7. Next one, 2x minus 8x squared plus 10. Before I do, I'm going to rewrite this one. Minus 8x squared plus 2x plus 10. So now I'm going to factorize first two terms. So negative 8 bracket x squared minus 1 over 4 x plus 10. If you multiply negative 8 times x squared, negative x squared, negative 8 times quarter, which is positive 2. So now negative 8, do the completing square. So x minus half of x part, which is 1 over 8 squared minus 1 over 8 squared, which is 1 over 64 plus 10. Now negative 8 times x minus 1 over 8 squared plus negative 8 times 1 over 64, which is 1 over a positive 1 over 8 plus 10 negative 8 x minus 1 over 8 squared 1 over 8 plus 10, which is 80 over plus 80 1 over 8. So here p equals negative 8, q equals negative 1 over 8, r equals 81 over 8. Solved by completing the square, give you answers in third form. X squared plus 12x plus 3 equals 0. So first do the completing square. X plus half of x, which is 6 squared. Then take away 6 squared is 36 plus 3 equals 0. So x plus 6 squared minus 33 equals 0. So x plus 6 squared equals, I'm going to move the 33 other side, 33. So x plus 6 equal to 33. So I'm going to do both sides square root. So if I take the square root left hand side, x plus 6, so right hand side, if I take the square root, I need to put plus or minus square root 33. So x equal to negative 6 plus or minus root 33. So we have two answers. X equals negative 6 plus root 33, or x equals negative 6 negative root 33. So this is answer. We have two answers. Next one, x squared minus 10x equals 5. To the completing square, x minus half of x, 5, square it, and take away 5 squared, which is 25, equals 5. Now x minus 5 squared equals, I'm going to move 25 to the side, so it is 30. So then take square root both sides, so x minus 5 equals plus or minus root 30. Then x equals 5 plus or minus root 30. We have two answers because this is quadratic. So 5 plus root 30, or x equals 5 minus 30. So this is answer. Next one, 15 minus 6x minus 2x squared equals 0. Before I'm going to do the completing square, I'm going to rewrite negative 2x squared minus 6x plus 15 equals 0. Because I want to keep x squared positive. So I'm going to multiply negative. Take away negative, multiply by negative 1. So, and factorize negative 2 out of the bracket. So 2 x squared plus 3x minus 15 equals 0. I'm going to multiply negative 1. Then I'm going to take 2 out of the bracket, first two terms. So 2, then do the factor completing square, x plus half of x squared. Then take away 3 over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4, negative 15 or 0. Multiply by 2, so 2 times x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 9 over 2 minus 15 equals 0. So x 2 times x plus 3 over 2 squared equals 9 over 2 is 9 over 2 plus 15, which is 9 over 2 plus 30 over 2, so 39 over 2. 39 over 2. So divide by 2 both sides, x plus 3 over 2 squared equals 39 over 4. Now take the square root, so x equals minus 3 over 2 plus or minus root 39 over 4. I'm going to take the square root, so 2. So x equals minus 3 over 2 plus root 39 over 2. So minus 3 over 2 minus root 39 over 2. So we have two answers. Next one, 2x squared minus 3x minus, 2x squared minus 6x minus 3 equals 0. So first step I'm going to take, factorize the first two terms, 2 out of the bracket. So 2x squared I'm going to take 2 times x squared, 2x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. So do the completing square. X minus half of x, 3 over 2 squared, minus, take away then 3 over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4, minus 3 equals 0, into x minus 3 over 2 squared, minus 9 over 2 minus 3 equals 0. So 9 over 2 minus 3. So 9 over 2 minus 6 over 2, which is 15 over 2. So x minus 3 over 2 squared, 2 times, this is equal to 15 over 2. So x minus 3 over 2 squared equals, divide by 2 both sides, 15 over 4. So x minus 3 over 2 equals plus or minus, take both sides, square root. So root 15 over 2. Now we have two answers, x equals 3 over 2 plus root 15 over 2, or x equals minus 3 over 2 minus root 15 over 2. That is the answer. Now pause this video, try it yourself and test your understanding. X squared plus 6x plus 1 equals 0. So do the completing square. X plus half of x is 3 squared minus 3 squared, which is 9, plus 1 equals 0. X plus 3 squared equals minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. So I'm going to move other side, so it is 8. So x plus 3, take both sides square root, plus or minus root 8. So x equals minus 3 plus or minus root 8. So we have two answers. X equals minus 3 plus root 8, or x equals minus 3 minus root 8. Next one, x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. So x plus half of x, 2 square it. Take away 2 squared, which is 4. Take away 2 equals 0. X plus 2 square equals negative 4, negative 2, negative 6. Move other side, so 6. So x plus 2, take both sides square root, plus or minus root 6. And x equals minus 2 plus or minus root 6. Now we have two answers, x equals minus 2 plus root 6, or x equals minus 2 minus root 6. This is the answer. Next one, 4x squared minus 8x minus 5 equals 0. So before I do the completing square, I'm going to factorize the first two terms. So take 4 out of the bracket. So x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. 4 x minus half of x is 1 square. And take away 1 square, which is 1, minus 5 equals 0. Then multiply by 4. So 4x minus 1 squared minus 4 minus 5 equals 0. So x minus 1 4 equals, I'm going to move other side, 9. Then divide by 4 both sides. So x minus 1 squared equals 9 over 4. Then take both sides square root. So plus or minus. If you take square root of 9 over 4, which is 3 over 2. So x equals 1 plus or minus root, 3 over 2. So we have two answers. X equals 1 plus 3 over 2, or x equals 1 minus 3 over 2. So 1 plus 3 over 2 is 5 over 2 and 2.5. 1 minus 3 over 2, so x equals minus half. So this is the answer. 4x squared minus x minus 8 equals 0. Before I do the completing square, I want to keep x squared 1. So coefficient of x squared is 1. So I'm going to take 4 out of the bracket, first two terms. 4 times x squared, 4x squared, minus 4 times quarter, x is negative 1x. Then take away 8 equals 0. So do the completing square. X minus half of x, which is 1 over 8, square it, and take away 1 over 8 squared, 1 over 64, minus 8 equals 0. 4 x minus 1 over 8 square minus 4 times 1 over 64, 1 over 64, so 16, minus 8 equals 0. So 1 over 16 plus 1 over 8 equals, so use the calculator. 4 times x minus 1 over 8 square equals 8 plus 1 over 16. Then divide by 4 both sides. So x plus 1, x minus 1 over 8 square equals 8 plus 1 over 16 divided by 4 is 257 over 64. So take both sides square root. So x equal 1 over 8 plus or minus square root 257 divided by 64. So x equals 1 over 8 plus square root 257 divided by 8 for x equals 1 over 8 minus square root 256 for 257 divided by 8. Next video will be covering chapter 2 quadratics part 3 function. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share your friends. Thank you for watching.